guys! Welcome back sa Elexhub channel. Kung mahilig ka sa tech o kung gusto mong gumawa ng mga cool projects, this video is for you. Today, ituturo ko kung paano gamitin ang ESP32 Cam para mag-stream ng live video sa browser gamit ang Wi-Fi or hotspot connection. So, let's go! Bago tayo magsimula, ito ang mga kakailanganin natin. ESP32 Cam, programmer module for uploading code, and Arduino IDE software. Ikabit ang ESP32 Cam sa programmer board. Plug the USB cable into your computer. Ganun lang kasimple. For our Arduino IDE setup, open Arduino IDE, go to File, Preferences. Sa additional board URLs, paste this link. Don't worry, nasa description din ito for easy access. Then, click OK. Then go to Tools, Boards Manager. Search for ESP32, then install ESP32 by Espressif System. After, select Tools, Board, ESP32, and then AI, Tinker ESP32 Cam. And all set. Okay, here's the full code. I walk you through the key parts para maintindihan mo kung paano ito gumagana. These libraries handle the camera and Wi-Fi functions. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password here. These are the default pin mappings for the ESP32 Cam module. Don't change this if you're using the AI Tinker board. It starts the serial monitor for debugging. This sets up the camera with all required GPIO pins and tells it output JPEG images. Ideal for streaming. Checks if the board has PSRAM. If yes, it enables higher resolution and better quality. Initialize the camera. If it is failed, it prints an error message. This connects your ESP32 Cam to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, it starts the camera server and show the IP address where you can view the live feed. Now, let's upload the code. Connect the board to your PC. Make sure the correct COM port is selected. Click the upload button in Arduino IDE. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor. Copy the IP address, it will look like this, and paste it in Chrome. Ayan! Kita mo na ang live video stream galing sa ESP32 Cam. Sobrang simple pero powerful at gumagana sa laptop, phone, tablet, kahit smart TV. Basta naka-same Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching! If you have any questions or want to know more, feel free to leave a comment or contact us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool Arduino projects. This is Elexhub, powering up your projects. Kita-kit sa next video.